What's going on, YouTube world? Austin Lewis here, coming to you guys with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna be teaching, coaching, and training you guys on 5 reasons you should not start an ATM business. These 5 steps are crucial. So if you have a pen and paper out, definitely highly recommend, or if you're watching this on your laptop or your computer, make sure and pull out your phone, bring out your note section, because you're gonna wanna write them down, and I can rest assure you that. Before we even get into this thing, definitely make sure and go smash that thumbs up button on this video. Drop in the comment section below what you guys would like to see in future videos. I appreciate you guys' support. We are growing massively. I don't wanna keep you guys too long, so we're gonna start with number 1. Number 1 is you cannot have a criminal background. I don't know how many times I gotta reiterate that to you guys, because opening up a business bank account is gonna be difficult if you have a criminal background. When you do go to purchase a ATM, you have to fill out a sufficient funds document if you are the one filling the ATM, which that document gets ran through a background check. So if you personally are a criminal, I highly recommend do not getting started in the ATM business, because you will waste your time. That was number 1. Number 2 is quite simple. Not even somebody even thinks about it, right? And that is, you gotta have transportation, right? I know a lot of people that live in New York. I know a lot of people that live in New Jersey. I know a lot of people that, live in Seattle and bigger cities, and they don't have cars. And I'm here to share with you that, if you don't have good transportation, then chances of you actually succeeding in the ATM business is very unlikely. Now, I just want to make it a point and apparent to you guys that, having transportation in this business is gonna be crucial, right? When one of your machines actually goes down because of a bill dispenser error, and you have to drive there unexpectedly, chances are you're not gonna be able to catch the bus at the right time, or you're not gonna be able to walk at the right time, or whatever the case may be. It's always going to be inconvenient for you. Having that transportation for you is gonna be absolutely crucial. That was number 2. Jumping into number 3 really quick, guys. I'm enjoying a bowl of cereal here. It's a good day. Number 3 is no capital. I am sorry to share this with you guys. Yes, you can get into the ATM business for $0. 100% you can. There's multiple ways to make multiple thousands of dollars inside the ATM business. But I'm here to share with you, it is much easier. It is much simpler, right? We've all heard the saying, it takes money to make money. So here in this business, it takes money to make money. Not having capital is ultimately gonna be a struggle inside the ATM business, and I just wanted to be transparent with you guys and share that with you. Now, number 4 is honestly one that you guys probably haven't even thought of, and that's thick skin. You gotta have thick skin. You're gonna get a lot of no's. You're gonna get a lot of people that are hanging up on you. You're gonna get a lot of people that say, get the heck out of my business. You're gonna get a lot of people that say, don't ever come back to this business again. You're gonna walk into that business and that person's gonna say you look funny. You have to have thick skin when it comes to this business. You're gonna go to get a contract signed, and the guy roped you in, he roped you in. He said, absolutely, I want an ATM, absolutely, come down, let me sign the paperwork. He showed up, he said, man, you ever call my business ever again? You know what I mean? And he's gonna threaten you and do all that other good stuff. Well, listen here, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't have thick skin, if you're not all right with getting thousands or hundreds of no's, then I highly recommend not getting into the ATM business. Number 5, the final one, and you guys probably haven't even thought about this as well, is you please stay out of the ATM business if you are anything close to lazy. If you are lazy at all, I can guarantee you that the ATM business will not work for you. It takes hard work, it takes resilience, it takes time, it takes people, it takes resources, it takes money. So if you are just a lazy person, I'm sorry, but this business is probably not the business for you. A business for you is probably sitting behind a computer not doing anything. I'm sorry, okay? The ATM business requires a little bit more work than your average business, because it is traditional. It is a B2B business. It is belly to belly, right? So it's like that real estate, man. Hey, Ladies and gentlemen, that was the top 5 reasons why you shouldn't get into the ATM business. If you guys have any questions on that, drop in the comment section below. If you guys haven't already, make sure and go subscribe to your boy. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. We'll see you guys in a sec.